Today I'll show you how to create this BTS-themed PowerPoint using MORPH Transition. Let's get started. I have my 3 images and text that I'll be using in this tutorial. Let's insert a new slide and create 3 equal rectangles. Start by creating a rectangle, then duplicate it 2 more times. Select them all and press Ctrl-G to group. Stretch them to the edge of the slide, and now that they're all equal, drag them down to the bottom of the slide. Next, assign each rectangle a different color. I've chosen light shades of orange, blue, and green, and remove the outline color. Now copy the 3 images onto their respective rectangles. Select the images, go to Picture Format, and select Grayscale. Duplicate this slide and move the blue and green rectangles and images outside of the slide to the right. Now select the red rectangle and drag it to cover the slide. Select the image and recolor it to bring the original color back. Insert a text box and write your text, then enlarge it. I'll use a nice or strong font. Let's go with Impact. I'm going to remove the text fill and give it an outline color of dark orange. Position the text behind the image and then duplicate it. Make sure the text and background are sent to the back. I've pasted my text and changed the font of RM to make it bolder and increase the size a bit. Now I'll paste the small image here and give it an orange accent color. I've pasted extra text to fill in the space. Also, make sure the edge of the rectangle is slightly outside of the slide. Duplicate the slide with the 3 images and bring it down. Recolor the first image since we've already made the slide. Duplicate the slide again, and now we're working with the image in the middle, similar to what we did with the first image in slide 4. I'll just drag these 2 images outside the slide and work with the image in the middle. I've covered the full slide by dragging the blue background, making sure the edges on both ends are slightly outside the slide, and position the image to the left. I'll just copy the BTS text from this slide, paste it here, and I'll send the text in the blue background to the back. Then select the text, go to Text Outline, and give it a dark blue shade. Simply copy the content from this slide and paste it here. Then edit it as needed. I'll play this slide just to check and see if things are playing smoothly. Perfect. We're going to repeat the same process for the 3rd image. You can go ahead and skip to the next chapter while I create the last slide. Now that we're done with all the slides, I'll show you a quick way to add morph. I'm going to select the last slide, press and hold Shift, and select the first slide, which will select all of the slides. Head over to Transitions and select Morph. Now I'm going to go through all the slides that have text, copy them, and paste them onto the slides with the 3 band members. I'm going to split the content and position them outside the slide. You can go ahead and arrange them however you like. Let's quickly play this slide to see how it looks. I'll group the BTS text in both slides. Let's quickly play this slide to see how it looks. I don't like how the images are overlapping, so I'll make sure the images are sent to front in both slides. I'll continue to do this with the rest of the slides. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe for more creative tutorials.